Now I will make a video ad for this image ad. For that, I will use VEO3. First, I will copy this image and I will open a new window, Gemini, and here select create videos. Here it is working with VEO 3.1. Just paste the image, write a prompt like generate a video ad for attached image with audio and background music. Enter. Here I am using VEO 3.1 to generate a video ad by using image, which is generated by Nano Banana. Google Gemini 3 Pro for text generation, Nano Banana for image generation, VEO 3.1 for video generation. So this is called a multi-dimension model. You can generate text, images, audio, video by using Gemini, developed by Google. Because of that, recent times, Google Gemini dominating all AI models. It's generated a video ad. Let's see.
Experience the pure taste of sunshine. Rita orange juice, fresh from the grove to your glass. Experience the pure taste of sunshine. Rita orange juice, fresh from the grove to your glass. Experience the pure taste of sunshine. Rita orange juice, fresh from the grove to your glass.